Hey guys, today I'm going to be playing a game about catching bugs and selling them in Budgies Bug Shop. So I'm pretty sure I just gotta catch bugs and then, yeah. So I go like that. Whoa. Wait. Oh. So I guess you can't leave the place. So I think, yeah, I think birds come and buy it. Some people right there, so I'm gonna try to catch all. Yeah, I'll try to, yes. No. Oh, I was close. So, the power of editing, I might just skip ahead to when I can unlock something. Right now. Okay, I think I can unlock something. The net size. Whoa, you can unlock time. So that's marketing, so like maybe more people. I'll buy again. I'll buy all the size. So increase the entry rate of customers into the shop. So 10 per minute, that'd be pretty good. I don't know how much per minute I get right now, but hopefully it's a lot. Okay, that net size is way better. Oh, so you can collect even after the time ends. Oh, whoa, what's that? I want to try to get that again. Okay, come here. Oh, no. Oh, it's not there. Whoa, I see it. Oh, so close. Got it. What's cosmic scrab? Cosmic. Ooh, level up. I want to see what those do. I'm just gonna do it one more round. Let's see what those are. Scrab exchange. Celestial marketplace has appeared. Here you may spend cosmic scrabs to enhance your shop and improve your bug catching abilities. There's an entry fee. Increase the base amount of XP gained per bug. I'm gonna increase the size. Okay, increase the movement and tracks and alright. That seems pretty good. Grass patch. No. No. It's so hard to catch those. I bounce off the walls. No, I need more. I'm gonna go get more time. Increase the number of checkout counters in the shop. I'll do that. Once I raise enough money, I'm gonna see what the scrabs are all about. Scrabs, it's kind of hard to pronounce. I want to see what that's all about. I've changed. Wait, no, I've changed. I can catch it now. Yes. You know what? I'm going to use the power of editing and cut to when I have 10 of these things. Boom. So I got 10. So and I also have enough for the entrance fee. So let's try it out. Cosmic ray. Increase the chance of these bugs by appearing whenever a bug spawns. Current chance 3%. New chance 6%. So are those just like locked or for a little bit? Gain a chance for 25% tip to be added to each transaction. I'll buy that. Increase the number of bugs star in each location. Get a chance to whenever you catch all bugs, gain XP. Sorry about that. My voice got really loud. Okay. Whenever you swing your net, it spawns a projectile that catches bugs. That seems good. Whenever you swing your net, spawn another net in a random location. Ooh. Sonic Echo nets will spawn their own projectile nets. Ooh, that looks good. Whenever you catch all bugs on the screen, gain XP. All customers always buy merch each transaction. Oh, so they can buy merch. Increase number of bugs sold in each transaction. Oh, that's cool. So if you want to go again, oh, I paid again. Whoa, so there's a lot. I'm getting a lot of money now. Let's see how much one grasshopper is. Oh, pretty much. Yeah, that's a lot. Yay! I always try to upgrade anything. Oh yeah, I also upgrade a lot of size and a lot of time. So I think now I can, yeah, unlock. So I have to pay 500. I'm guessing each time I go in, since for the bugs it's each time I go in. Oh, okay. Right off the bat, there's one. I wonder how much these sell for. The nets seems really. First time we're already going. Come on, yeah, give me that scarab. Or what's it called? I don't know. This is so good already. Oh, oh, that extra net is so good. Quick restart. That's so good. Good job. So I already got 6. So the power of editing, I might skip till I have. Let's go 20 scarabs. So I can see what else I can get to catch bugs. Well, see y'all there. By the time I snap my finger, it will be more, there will be way more scarabs. Oh, that was not good. Let me try again. There, I think we have enough. Now I think we can go here. Yep. So yeah, I have to pay every time. So yeah, those were really good. Let's see. Temporal infusion. Gain a chance for certain bugs to add the time when caught. That'll be really good. I'm gonna save up for that. So, oh yeah, I also maxed my net. Tip jar, I'll buy that too. Chance for additional bugs to spawn. I kind of want this. So increased chance. Is that all? Yeah, I think that's all I can buy right now. Or can I buy that? Yeah, that's 4. Oh, my chair. Let's see how much money I get right now. So yeah, they can have 2 at once. You know, that's a lot. 8K. Raw. I want to unlock this soon. But for now, it's time to start catching buggies. Expansion compansion to get 100,000, and then that might be where the video will end. Oh, my chair. That might be where the video will end. Just like, look how fast we are making money. It's just so satisfying to sit here and watch. No, just inventory. I got 92 ladybugs. Those are like never gonna run out. See, do I need any more or some stuff? I think I need more giant mantises. So yeah, we're starting to make money big time. I think I could go to do a scarab exchange. Go boom. Oh, so I think yeah, a lot of stuff is locked. They're locked for demo. Like kind of exit shop. Oh guys, I think that might be where the video will end. So yeah, I think that's where the video will end. We'll see y'all next time. I'm gonna snap my fingers and the video's gonna end. Wait, it's not working. Ow.